Here's a 600-word script for a YouTube video about the 2025 Toyota Wigo. The 2025 Toyota Wigo is here, and it's making waves in the subcompact hatchback segment. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient city car or an affordable first vehicle, this little hatchback has a lot to offer. Toyota has made some exciting updates for 2025, and today, we're going to break it all down. Let's start with the design. The Wigo has always been a small but stylish car, and this new model looks sportier than ever. It features a bold front grille, sleeker headlights, and a more aerodynamic body. Toyota has also updated the alloy wheel design, giving it a fresh and modern look. The rear gets a new bumper and taillight design that enhances its aggressive appeal. Even though it's a budget-friendly car, it doesn't look cheap at all. Under the hood, the 2025 Wigo continues to use a reliable and fuel-efficient engine. Depending on the market, you get either a 1.0-liter or a 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine. While it's not the most powerful, it's perfect for city driving and short highway trips. It's paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or ACVT, offering smooth and effortless driving. The fuel efficiency remains one of the Wigo's biggest selling points, making it ideal for daily commutes. Stepping inside, the 2025 Wigo has received some nice upgrades. The cabin now feels more premium, thanks to better materials and a cleaner layout. Toyota has added a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The controls are intuitive, and the screen is responsive, making it easier to use while driving. The seats remain comfortable and supportive, with enough space for adults to sit comfortably. Cargo space is decent for a car this size, and the rear seats can be folded down to create extra room when needed. It may be a small car, but Toyota has done a great job maximizing space. Now, let's talk about safety. Toyota has stepped up its game by equipping the 2025 Wigo with more advanced safety features. Depending on the variant, you get anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims may also include a rear-view camera and even some driver assistance features like lane departure warning and pre-collision braking. For a car in this price range, that's impressive. So, how does the Wigo feel on the road? It's designed for city driving, and that's where it shines the most. The compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight streets and parking spaces. The steering is light, making it effortless to drive in traffic. While it may not be the fastest car out there, it's zippy enough for urban use, and the improved suspension makes the ride smoother compared to previous models. Now, let's talk about pricing. Toyota has always positioned the Wigo as one of the most affordable cars in its lineup, and the 2025 model is no different. The price varies depending on the variant and the market, but it remains competitive against other small hatchbacks like the Honda Brio and Suzuki Celerio. With its affordability, reliability, and fuel efficiency, the Wigo is a great choice for first-time car buyers and budget-conscious drivers. One of the best things about owning a Toyota is the reliability and low maintenance cost. The Wigo follows the same tradition. Spare parts are easy to find, and Toyota's service network is extensive. This makes it a hassle-free car to own in the long run. So, who is the 2025 Toyota Wigo for? If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and affordable car that's perfect for city driving, this is a great option. It may not be the most powerful or feature-packed vehicle out there, but it does everything you need from a daily commuter. With Toyota's reputation for durability, you can be sure this car will serve you well for years to come. What do you think about the 2025 Toyota Wigo? Is it the right car for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This script is designed to be engaging, informative, and suitable for a YouTube video format. Let me know if you need any tweaks.